Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi C20. This Caddy comes in a 2.0 TDI engine pushing out 102 PS. It also comes in a solid paint candy white colour. Starting off with the front exterior features, this Caddy comes with electric heated external mirrors, perfect for cold weather conditions. This Caddy also comes along with 16-inch black steel wheels. Moving around to the back, the rear exterior features include rear parking sensors for extra bit of safety, as well as rear loading doors for access to the loading area. Opening up the rear loading doors, you are greeted with a very spacious loading area. The loading area is fully ply-lined with a rubber flooring that is also ply-lined. For alternate access to the loading area, you have twin sliding doors on either side of the vehicle. This just allows more convenient and easy access to the loading area. Moving to the front of the vehicle, you have two passenger seats covered in fabric cloth upholstery in titanium black. You also have a 6.5-inch infotainment system at the front. The infotainment system is fully touchscreen. It allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations. It also allows you to connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can use these features to be able to use the sat-nav to get to your journey easier. At the front, the driver is met with a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel. This allows them to skip through their favorite music as well as use cruise control and answer calls. That concludes this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Caddy Cargo Maxi C20. Thank you for watching and goodbye.